Hi amigos, welcome to the Mexican food channel. Today we're going to be making a dish that's as spicy as your tío's dance moves at a family wedding. That's right, we're making aguas chiles. So let's get started. First things first, we're gonna gather our ingredients. We'll need some fresh shrimp, lime juice, chili peppers, cilantro, and a few other secret ingredients that I can't tell you about or I'll have to. Now, if you're not familiar with the dish, let me break it down for you. Aguas chiles is a traditional Mexican dish that consists of shrimp marinated in spicy lime juice and chili sauce. It's perfect for those hot summer days when you need something to cool you down and spicy up all at the same time. Once you have all your ingredients, it's time to get your chef hat on and start cooking. We'll chop up some cilantro and prepare some of the other secret ingredients that will take this dish to another level. Go ahead and start off by peeling your cucumbers. Next, you're gonna cut them like so.
Una cuchara chiquita, hija. Aquí está la...
Ahí está blanco.
¿Cuál es esta?
Ahora se le quitan las... No debe de llevar semillas.
Go ahead and take off the seeds from inside the cucumber.
Mira. Este fácil se le quita con la...
También concentra la mano.
Con esta.
Con la cuchara.
Sí, mira. Porque con el cuchillo pues no se va a joder. Se le quitaría mucha carne. Y así con la cuchara se viene la pura semilla. Falta uno. Ahí está. Ahora.
Mira. Next up, you're gonna cut them like this.
Ahí están.
¿Qué falta esto?
Ah, sí.
Do it for.
¿Vas a querer dos de estos o uno?
No, uno. Tiene bastante estilo, bien bonito.
Trate de sacar pilas. Can I do it here? Next we have our red onion. We're making a lot of shrimp, so we're gonna go ahead and use all of it. We used about 3 pounds of shrimp, medium size, and they were pre-cooked. Next up, we're gonna cut our onion like this.
Santiago?
Sí.
Ya tengo la cebolla.
Muy bueno.
Sin nada. Otro limón. Le pone limón
What?
a la cebolla.
Oh, ya, con salecita.
Ujú. Y luego esta morada es saludable.
Con un pedazo de carne.
Ujú. Porque es lo que le quita hasta el olor al camarón.
Tengo más.
No, nomás una. Yo también le puse una grande. ¿Ven? Ahí está. Ahora revuélvelo allí
Esto es lo que tenemos.
y ya les voy a cortar aquí.
Entonces hago So we're gonna put a bunch of lemon.
The first time I took this test, when I had the proctors watching me and everybody was creating like a little bit of mental blockage for me around the pool, it was bad. It was bad. 12:27. There you go, last lap. There we go. Finish strong, finish strong. Keep the stroke, finish it out. Stop. Time. 11 minutes, 10 seconds. Congratulations. You did
They're
it.
big boys.
That was good. Good job.
Oh my gosh, I passed the first event. I'm so happy. I didn't think I was gonna pass anything today, especially the swimming. Y'all know in the lifeguarding video I failed all.
Huh?
Next, we're gonna roast 8 serrano peppers and 2 garlic cloves. And this is gonna be the chili part of the
Y
aguas
eso se va a
chiles.
hacer. Y el cilantro se va a moler con eso.
Is optional to go?
El cilantro va con la salsa.
Okay.
So, es la ahorita que se pudre.
Go ahead and pour all the lime juice that you squeezed earlier into the shrimp. This needs to be
Yeah.
completely covered, so I think we're
Yeah.
gonna need more lime
Some
juice.
Vente para acá.
No, porque todavía estoy
Ay, Nelly, ¿quién te viera? Ay, yo me
We're gonna put a little bit of water so it's not too acidy. So this has water.
Ahora
Try to submerge them.
ponle toda la cebolla allí menos esto. Ponle
cebolla
toda la-
nomás?
Sí, la cebolla y luego lo mueves y lo metes atrás.
So we're gonna
Agarra
put
todas las
only
con
the
las manos, estás
onion.
limpia de tus manos.
Next, we're gonna add the onion in there and put it in the fridge.
Y en lo que está lo demás está el camarón.
Se va a cocinar con la cebolla y el camarón.
Sí. Le va a agarrar sabor. Y luego este se le va a poner, este jugo que tiene ahí se le va a poner a la licuadora y pues
It's gonna go in the fridge, that's one.
y luego sigue Sanelli cuando lo meta el rey.
Right?
Yeah, right. That is good.
Smells good. Aquí son 3 libras.
Solo ponle un puñito de sal a todo eso.
Sal?
Sí, de la...
Now that our peppers are roasted, we're gonna go ahead and blend them with the lime juice. Yeah, Add in all the ingredients and a bunch of cilantro.
You should let it flat.
It's less than an ounce. A little bit of water. Yeah. And we're gonna add in all the lime juice that we pour in the shrimp. Now let's take it to blend.
come.
Next, we're gonna pour that into the shrimp.
Sí. Así, alrededor.
Ya me llegó un poco.
Ahí está. Ahora di que vas a vaciar esto.
Go ahead and add your cucumbers.
Así poderlo dejando caer alrededor. Todo.
Yo.
A ver, pruébalo.
Tú nada más llevas a cerrarnos, ¿no?
Está bien bonito.
Pruébalo más.
Dejarte la cuchara.
Add some salt and do a little bit at a time to your liking. And there you go, guys. Here you have it. Super spicy. Let's go ahead and prepare a tostada. This is the way I like it. Put a little bit of mayo on it, and then add your aguas chiles. This looks so good. And there you have it, amigos. A spicy, refreshing, and delicious dish that will make your taste buds dance de salsa. So next time you're feeling hot and need some spice, give aguas chiles a try. Your taste buds will thank you for it.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and see you on the next one. Love ya!